welcome back to the Shadow YouTube channel. Today we're swapping gear in middle of the ride, vibing on the highway, almost losing control of our bike, fighting the cold, and just having a good time.
I think that works. That's pretty good.
In this episode, I packed my bike to the absolute maximum, but I do think it actually fits a little bit more on this bike if I just thought it through and have some ratchet straps.
It's like extremely top heavy.
Finally geared up for the ride, but I've managed to figure it out, kind of. I did not have any ratchet straps or anything, so I just had to improvise with what I have. It's a lot of backpacks and one big suitcase. It's on my Honda Shadow 750 C2. It's a very nice bike, and we are of course ready with the fire blanket and extinguisher, just in case. We never know. I don't think it will happen anything, but what if? So yeah, and of course the skateboard is with us. It gotta go with me. I almost forgot about it. Handcuffs on the side because it's a cruiser, and also we got the belt. We did not have any of the casings yet.
Got a little cold start for you. Just starting on some more. Oh shit, it's heavy. It's really top heavy. Oh my god. Okay. I think that works. That's pretty good.
Kind of. I needed to get my camera first.
It's like riding a pretty heavy bike, like really heavy bike. That kind of works. Sorry guys, I don't have any microphone, so I'm just gonna do it like this, or I'm just doing a voiceover. I don't know yet.
Let's say we did a little mix of both. Here I'm checking if everything's still on the bike.
As far as it goes, it works pretty good. This is still staying on. But you just gone about 200 meters or so. If we're lucky, we maybe are able to catch some sunlight from the sunset that's going on right now. I was hoping I could still have the sun on my way, but it doesn't seem like that. So we just have to go with it.
We had a little bit of sunset at least. Here's the tunnel. Nice, a red tunnel. Made me think of that song about the color red. This tunnel was boring. It's dark and short. I cannot believe how Fred was holding on for dear life on this mirror, because we were going about highway speeds. So we were fighting against the clock, right? And as the time was ticking, the temperature was dropping, like significantly. We were fighting for dear life when it comes to the cold. I was not wearing correct clothes for this ride, but I looked good at least. Just a perfectly timed backfire.
It's getting darker, and also it's getting very cold inside of the helmet. So I'm gonna stop here real quick, swap my helmet, and also with the other helmet I can listen to some tunes. Maybe we need to take another lap. Max Havere, which is a burger chain or fast food chain, very popular one specifically. Oh my god, it's so much heavier. I can't go with the low speed ones without putting my feet down. I need to put my feet down. It's heavy. But yeah, so this is my first stop. It's barely an hour away. I got here really quick, but it got very cold very fast, and I forgot my other gloves. I got another pair of gloves which are like mittens, and I forgot those, unfortunately. But hey, it could be worse. It could be not. It could
have been raining.
It did not. I'm swapping helmets right now.
Oh, so far so good. Unfortunately, this one is always falling to the right side, but I think it's fine. It's hanging on for dear life to the poor little indicator. And also, it seems like everything is still on the bike, and it's good that the cold box or freeze box or whatever, it's not touching the pipes. That's actually a good sign. It seems like everything is still on, and that's great. Even my little blanket. So everything seems to be here, seems in place, seems to be good. So I'm just swapping the helmet right now, and yeah, let's keep going. Everything seems fine. Let's get at it.
I'm getting this one. It's a rare helmet from Shark Speed. So it got this thing. It can open up like this. It's also got a little microphone integrated into the helmet, which is pretty nice. Ouch! Oh my god! I just hurt my finger. Okay.
And back to the road we went, and I actually attached the camera to the other helmet because it actually got a little mount on the chin. So now you got a little bit of a different angle just to make a little bit more immersive. I sure didn't lie when I told you I was listening to some tunes. This is some 80s, 70s and 90s rock right here for you. Copyright strike. By the way, I forgot to add, I moved Freddy. He was much safer behind the back. Was barely any wind over there, so I felt actually kind of confident to put him on the handlebar instead. I was pointing towards that sign, thinking you guys could see that. We were heading into another county. Let's go. And look, we got a little sunset as well. I got a little lost with some part, but it kind of magically just disappeared, so I have no proof that I got lost. So here's me just keep on going. This is actually the spot that me and my friend were drifting this winter, and it was a perfect spot. Even the cops passed by and I didn't give a shit. It was so icy, you don't even know. Well, back to the video. Here's me when I arrived at my destination. So this was pretty much what we had with us. This one is actually a lanyard type of thing that you just wrap around a tree to when you're climbing. So I use that to fasten the big bag. So we got these backpacks, got these backpacks, this helmet, another backpack, and this big, really, really big bag, and the skateboard as well. And also I got this, so foods from a fridge and freezer. So yeah, I got all that somehow strapped onto the bike. Also all the helmets, and I don't know, hella hustle, but now it's done. I'm all fine. So now I'm gonna unpack all the things, and especially we're gonna start with things for the kitchen stuff kitchen. And yeah, out. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what do you like about the video, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. It's literally now I was looking back to the footage and I could see how exhausted I was. And it was not only from the ride, I was actually on the market selling like half of my storage department. And I was also trying to figure out the whole day, planning the packaging of the bike because I forgot the ratchet straps and everything. It was just too much for my brain that day, on barely any sleep. So I can totally understand I was tired. But yeah, as I've said early in the video, please like and subscribe. Comment what you like, what you did not like, because I would love to improve and make more of these videos because I find it so fun to make these. But I would love to have some feedback and we can grow through this together. Thank you for watching.